Unless you do content creation for fun, everyone wants to earn money from it. So this question is also being asked a lot. How can I make money? I will give you 6 ways that you can earn money with your own blog website or with your YouTube channel. And the first one is by Google AdSense. Now for your blog website, you can start showing ads somewhere on your blog, and in your YouTube channel, YouTube runs ads on your videos, but there is a requirement for that. Your channel has to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time at the last 12 months. And of course, this takes some time on YouTube. But my personal opinion is that if you want to make decent money by content creation, YouTube ads or Google ads is never enough. You need to have at least millions of views on your channel, and then maybe you can make a living. And also, waiting to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time takes a lot of time. You need to post a lot of videos and you need to wait for a long time to achieve this requirement. So that's why it might be a good idea to focus on these other ways to make money. And another common way is affiliate marketing, which means that you are showing someone else's product on your channel or on your blog posts, and you talk about these online products or whatever you want to talk about. And if you can achieve to lead sales, then you will earn a commission from these affiliate products. For example, if you have a tech channel and if you talk about tech products, then you can sign up to an affiliate program. Just for an example, if you sign up to Amazon affiliates program, or if you sign up to a company's affiliate program and you talk about these tech products that you like, you offer to other people, you give a link, and when people are going to buy that product by using your specific links, then you will earn a commission. This is something called affiliate marketing, which is a very popular way to earn money from it. And another way that YouTubers can make money is by sponsorships. If you receive a sponsorship, then a company will come to you and they will ask, hey, you know what, we have a product, and can you make a video or can you mention about our product on your videos, and then you will receive money or you will receive free products from that company who wants to sponsor your videos. The downside of sponsorships is that we don't know how often they come. They might come once or twice a year, or they might come maybe every week. So it depends on from creator to creator and from channel to channel. So that's why we don't really know like how often those sponsorships are coming. Another great way to make online money is by selling your own online or physical products. By physical products, I mean by something like merch. And by online products, you can create, for example, an online course or an online ebook. You can sell it at a price by using your own blog website or your own YouTube channel. This is also a great way to make a lot of money, but you need to create these documents or these courses from scratch. You need to also invest a lot of time. So that's why at the beginning it might be difficult to start with this, but later when you start growing an audience and when you find some additional free time, then you can start making an online course or an online ebook or whatever you want. The fifth way you can earn money by your blog or by your YouTube channel is starting a subscription program, which is something like Netflix. Your viewers or your audience will sign up to your subscription program and they will pay you monthly a recurring fee. It can be like, for example, $5, and in return you will give them some benefits. The best part of a subscription-based content is that it is recurring every month. And you don't need to have a huge audience for that. Let's make, for example, a simple calculation. If you start a subscription-based program for $5, and if only 100 people joins to your subscription-based membership program, then you will earn monthly, every month, $500, which is a great way to start earning money. And you don't need to have a huge audience for that. You can start earning money much faster than Google Ads or so. And the sixth way to make money online by using your blog or your YouTube channel is to start a coaching program or a consultancy program, which will attract your clients to your channel, and you can educate them or they can consult you to get some specific information in an exchange of a fee. You need to invest, for example, half an hour or 1 hour per client or per a group of client. As a creator or as a business owner, your time is very valuable. So that's why if you are going to start a coaching program or a consultancy program, you may need to charge higher prices because your time is very valuable and you need to be actively there. You need to actively educate people, you need to coach people. So that's why these coaching programs or these consultancy programs are usually very expensive also for your clients as well. But in return, they will find the opportunity to work with you one-on-one or like a small group of people. But it won't be a passive income way. So that's the downside of starting a coaching business. But if that's the way how you prefer, if you are an expert of something and you need to work actively with your clients, then you can think about starting a coaching program over your blog website or over your YouTube channel. So content creation is a long journey. It is like a marathon, and it's definitely not a sprint. The main point I believe here is that to enjoy creating content at first and then start looking for ways to monetize your work, how you can earn by creating content on the internet. If you have additional questions, comment down below. And for future videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.